Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can buy a hosting a domain step by step. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here actually you can see we're already in our hostinger website. So if you want to purchase a domain, you just need to go to the service. Once you click over here, then here you can see we have a pop-up where you can see a couple of options like hosting, websites and domains. So you just need to be click over that place, domain name search, and here you just need to be search your domain. It could be anything with your name or your store name. Let's say my store name is the Zifa, and this is my store and I just want to search it. Just click to the search, and here if I found any .com domain, then I will purchase this one immediately, but there is no chance to get it. So we don't have any domain with .com. But here I think the Jiva.tech will be completely a good one. So I will select this one, just click to the buy now. Once I click over here, buy now, it will take a couple of minutes for the loading and it redirects us to the cart page. Here actually you can see it. So here you just need to select your period. You can select for 2 years, or you can select for the 3 years. It's totally up to you. Once you're done, then you just need to be go to the continue, or you can get this domain for free when you buy hosting. If you purchase any hosting, then you can purchase the domain completely free without any cost. Now just click to the continue, or if you have a coupon, you can paste it here. Once you've done, you just need to be register an account. I already have an account, that's why I'll just click to the login, and then I'll go with these options, and then it will take me to the login page and onto the checkout page. And here I just need to click to the continue. Once I click over here, then they will redirect me to the payment option, and here I just need to be give full my payment card number, expert date, CVC, and then just hit the button submit payment. Once I did, then it will give me the domain access. This is the easiest way to purchase a domain from Hostinger. I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic.